Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So did you crack the logic? So what replaced the question mark in this series? So let's find out. So here if we see that here 2, 3, 5. So we can see that 1 after 1 is a prime number, right? And now here 4, 9. Then what is here? And then 4. 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square. Now next must be 4 square, that is 16. Then here will be 25, but no. So this logic will also not working here. So what can be the possible ways? So we can see that here is 2 and the next number is the square of 2, right? Here is 3 and the next is the square of 3, that is 9. So here 5 and the what is the square of 5? 25. So let's see, and here 7, what is the square of 7? 49, but they gives 4 here. But what we can see, if we add the 49, that is 4 plus 9, so this give us 13, and 13 is 1 plus 3, 4. So what we notice in this series that all the numbers are in single digit. So if there is a square, they add the digit till they get in the single digit. So it becomes 4 here, 7 square. So similarly, 5 square is 25. So we can write 2 plus 5, that is 7. So what replaces the question mark? 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.